So, good morning team. It's Tuesday morning at Benecolet Airfield. It's a gorgeous day. Good for flying. Just going to watch John. Can we see the, there you go. Can you see the windsock? We're going to video young John here prepping the plane this morning. Morning, John. So, engine cover off and underneath the plane so that it doesn't get stood on.
Any reason. And then we've got our pre-flight safety checklist that we go through.
Here comes the boss. Well, reversing in for a reason. Okay.
Oh, I've already sent Derek a message.
Oh, a message, have we? So, I need to start this morning's brief again. I got here and started a video on plane prep before we went flying. It is a gorgeous day. Unfortunately, as we got not even halfway through, we did the engine and everything else, but we did notice the plane was leaning to the port side, and she has a puncture in one wheel. So at the moment we are changing the wheel. I'm probably going to have to change the tube, so let's see how this goes. So if we end up with a bit of swearing, we apologise in advance. I'll bleep it. I'll bleep it.
This is the brake disc, yeah. I knew I had the right one somewhere. That's got it. You take tile, leave it up. Just 1 foot either side of the jack. You don't have to push or anything. Just hold the tyre in place and let this do the work. Knackered the tyre on the rollout. So I had to replace that. Then I put another one on, and that's it. And that's been it. It's not on. Don't lose it inside the fucking rim. Come on.
The ordinary rim, people. The ordinary rim.
Oh, you little... time was out of shape, that was